Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 205. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. If you go to menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and tutorial about how to pay. Next, you can check your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Then you've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC, help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.